Callbacks are one of the most expensive things that happen inside of your service company. Not because they're just frustrating, because every callback takes a technician away from potential new revenue, takes a technician away from pricing a new job, takes a technician away from producing additional work. Track your callbacks for the next 30 days and count how many productive time slots were lost because your technician had to go back out. Each one of those productive time slots that are lost are dollars that are literally evaporating in your very hands because of callbacks. Most owners are absolutely shocked when they see that number. Do you want to see your number? Do you want to see what your callbacks actually are actually costing you? And more importantly, what happens when you reduce those callbacks? If you want to see how operation issues like this affect profitability, I run a few strategy sessions every month where we break down your numbers and see exactly where the profit is leaking, especially within callbacks. There's a booking link to my calendar in the comments below. Go ahead, book some time. It's absolutely free. And if you want to use the QR code, feel free to use the QR code. It takes you to the same booking link. I'll see you there.